Hey everybody, I am going to show you the easiest way to set up your play space for Zombies Noir. So first, let's open up the menu, click down here at the clock, and you'll go to your settings tab. You want to scroll down to experimental, and then if you scroll down, you'll see clear room setup. Let's clear that out. We'll start from the very beginning, and then you go back to the settings tab, go up to Guardian, and right here, clear Guardian history. We're going to clear that. So once you hit that, it's actually going to get rid of everything, and you'll start fresh with a new Guardian, just like this. So here we go with my living room. We'll hit boundary. Already has the floor level set. And this is where I am just going to outline my play space right here. Whoops. There we go. All right, now once you're in here, you're going to open up Zombies Noir. Perfect. And it's going to have the table laid out right in front of you. You're going to grab this capture app right here and hit A to start the capture app. And it says room setup required. You're going to hit continue. Again, it'll set the floor level, hit confirm. This is where you can outline your walls. Now, the easiest way is going to be to just make a rectangle no matter what furniture's here, no matter what hallways are here. So I'm actually going to start right about there. And you click once, and then you move up to the ceiling, or where you think it should be, probably about right there. Make sure it's high enough, you'll move over. Click that, go over further. I am just going to make a quick rectangle and end it just like that. You'll hit confirm. It's going to ask you about other furniture and objects. Just hit done. Hit done again. You don't have to worry about that. It'll set the table up for you. Then we'll pick just a random level. We'll go down to, all right. And now when you set it up, grab the blueprint. And if you look, you're going to see kind of that blue outline of the door. So when you click there, that'll set up a door. You can go around. There's a blue, it doesn't let you do 2 doors on one wall. So you're going to have to switch to go to a different wall. You could put one behind the couch. If you wanted to move it up in front of the couch, you would have made the wall come to about this lamp right here and send it over. But it will let me do one right there in my kitchen. And that is the next doorway. And then I can put one right in front of the TV. So we'll put that right there, and then you're good to go. Pretty awesome taking a look through those doors just to see it. And here they come. You can hit those light shots. Oop. There you go. All right, I hope that helps. And from that point on, you can have fun defending your home from zombies.